Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Runner Africa. Hope you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. I really appreciate you all. Thank you guys. And in case it's your first time here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share with family and friends, and also drop your comments. Let's grow this channel together. I'm so excited to be live here at Buja Nature Garden here in Abuja, Nigeria, right here to show us how beautiful. So you guys, but then before I go on, I want to show you my outfit of the day. This is how I am dressed today. A pair of, yes, Ankara. We call it Ankara here in Nigeria. I don't know what you call fabrics in your country, but this is Ankara for sure in Nigeria. And I just use it to say to make a very simple top. Yes, and I use it with a pair of blue jeans. Yeah, so this is it. And of course my footwear. This is it. Yes, how do I do, guys? I hope you like my outfit. I hope you like my outfit. This is how I'm dressed. Yeah, this is how I'm dressed, and I'm super excited about the whole thing because I actually love this. I love it so much. This is to show that my hairdo. This is how it is. Very simple, even though it has gotten so rough, but yeah, I can still manage it. I've been taking this for like 4 days now. Yes, 4 days. And I hope it is okay. So you guys, let me know what you think about my outfit of the day. So you guys, let's guys just relax and enjoy. Wow. Welcome to Buja Film Nature and Garden. This is a place of relaxation, a place where you can come and enjoy yourself. And this place is actually located here in Abuja, the federal capital of Nigeria. This place is a little bit hidden. It's actually at a very quiet environment where you can just come here with your family, friends, and relax, enjoy yourself. And it's such a natural place. Yeah, they didn't just call it film nature and garden for nothing, because actually it is. As you can see, it has so many rocks, trees, and all of that. It's just a natural place. Actually it is, and it's such a beautiful place that whenever once come here, you can never regret coming here, because yeah, it's just a place that you can come and relax, enjoy, and very quiet and calm environment. Yes. So guys, just come here and thank me later. Anyways, let's go around and see how beautiful this place is. Here, this tree is on top of one of the rock here. And yes, the good thing about this place is that whenever you are here, you can actually view most of the places here, most of the places around. And yes, you can view most of the places around this area with beautiful trees, just nature. Yes, nature got it here. As I said, nature got it here. And I saw some trees here with, I don't know, they are producing some beautiful and eatable fruits. Yes, but they are still bringing out the flowers. You know, most of the trees that produces fruit for eating do produce some flowers before it can started producing the real fruit that can be eatable. Yes. Wow. Just look at how beautiful this place is. So natural and beautiful. So natural and beautiful. Yes. Wow. 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 Oh my God. I can't just get enough of this place. Yeah, it's situated at one of the new places here. The place is not actually that well developed, it's just coming up. And this is actually at Metama 2. Yes, Metama 2 is just one of those new areas. When they say someone lives at Metama, they say, wow, wow, wow. And yes, look at those trees. Those thing just on came out on top of the tree. I don't know. It looks like cotton wood, but it's so thick, so strong. Let me put it this way: it's strong, and it's just coming out. They say it's coming out every day by day. Look at this one, just like a teddy bear. Oh my God, God is amazing. God is great. Just look at the trees. Guys, as I've said, this environment is so calm. And yeah, unless I forget, this place is actually, you can use this place for film production, music production. Yes, I said film production and music production. And music production. This place is so beautiful for film production and music production. People do come here to act films, any kind of films, like any kind of film that you want to act, you can actually come here. And the good thing about this place is that it's so large. I mean, the place is so big enough that different kind of production can take place at a time. Different kind of production can take place at a time because the place is so large and beautiful, so natural. I know they like acting film in a natural place. Even the music itself, at times they like shooting film at a natural place. Yes, in a natural place. Just look at. Oh my God. And you can actually come here when it, oh my God. They have event centers too. People do come here to celebrate their, yes, um to do, yes, their wedding reception, birthday, any kind of parties. Yeah, you can have it here. If you like, you have it in a hall. But if you want it to look natural, yeah, we have everything it takes to have it in a natural environment. Yes, just look at this place. This place is so chill. And there are so many sit out, different sit out in this same place. If you like, you go up. There are so many places. Yes. And yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. The up part of this place, they are still working on it. So I couldn't even reach there. Yes. But from the look at things, you can tell that this place is actually a natural place. Film Nature and Garden. Yes, that is the name of the place, Film Nature and Garden. And actually, I am seeing the nature here. Nature got it here. Just look at, so natural. You guys, I hope you are enjoying this video because I'm actually enjoying this environment that I'm staying here. Yes, that I'm in here. The place is so chill. You can come here and relax, enjoy. If you want to come here to shoot your film, yes, do your production, music production, film production, comedy, whatever you want to do, this place is available. So natural, accommodative, and all of that. You can even come here to relax. Yes, just look at this. The bamboo that they arrange here is so natural. Yes, this is Africa, of course. Oh my God, just look at this. Just look at this. This is beautiful. I'm not just exaggerating, but the truth is that this place is beautiful. Yes. Hmm. Just look at this walkway. Just go up there. Just chill. Chill there. Walk around. This is actually a chilling area. Oh, just come here. Enjoy yourself. Relax. Enjoy yourself. Yeah. And in case you're feeling that you come here, where will you? They just have a place to relax. They have a place to relax no matter where you come from. Yes, you have rooms for you there to stay as long as you want. There are rooms there, as kind of hotel rooms where you can just come. I told you people that they are doing some work up there. I can't just go there. I like showing people the fact. I don't want to be showing you people what is not being concluded or what. Yes, so you can come here. No matter where you come from, there is a place for you to stay. That is what I meant. There is a place for you to stay. Oh, look at these beautiful flowers. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh my God. This is beauty. Enough parking space. Enough sit out. Enough. Oh my God. I don't know. Everything here is wow. Everything here is wow. Just look at those trees. Shit. And yeah, I know some people will be thinking of the security. They have security. The place is well secured. And yeah, they have a football where you can just come here, play your football, do your, some of your exercise, as in, yeah, natural exercise, workout, and all of that. You guys, what is this? I've been asking, what is this? I know this thing they used to do, Iru. I don't know what they call Iru in English actually, but this is, yeah, Iru. They use this thing for Iru. It's Iru is a kind of local spice for soup. Yeah, I know it in Nigeria. And yeah, you guys, look at the view from here. You can actually view some places from here. This is Mpape, and you know how beautiful and natural Mpape is. Mpape is so beautiful. Yes, so beautiful and natural. I so much love this area. Yes. Look at the trees. Oh my God. Yes, this is part of the football field, and yes, oh my God, just look at so natural. These are kind of places I like. So natural and beautiful, and so clean, so neat. Yes, this place is so neat. Apart from the fact that it's natural, is the cleanness. Cleanliness is another thing again that I like about this place. Despite the fact that they live with these grasses and everything, but since they say it's a natural place, garden nature and garden, yeah, nature and garden. Oh my God, just look at this. Look at this. Ooh, I hope you're enjoying this video. Okay, guys, this is all I can take from today's video. I do hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do so. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share with family and friends, and also drop your comment. Let's grow this channel together. Bye. See you in my next video.